The Coin Lady channel is pleased to have you back. The next leg up, the next movement of gains that will change our lives is almost here, and we're getting closer and closer to it every single day, guys. That keeps popping into my head. I will tell you the truth. I consider the future of these assets every single day. In the event that I am able to acquire 5 to 10%, I will own 16 distinct cryptocurrencies. I am a really cautious person. Pay attention, I'll divide it. I make 5% when I hold 8 of them. My profit is 10% from the remaining 8. That is, if what I believe to be happening cannot take place. I predict that a few of them will do 20 to 50 times. Just so we're clear. I am in a lovely position. For the love of it all, I'm quitting my 9-to-5 job and going full steam ahead as a Web3 streamer, crypto news writer, coach, mentor, and all in between. And it's also possible that this applies to all of you. Get on board with the Patreon group and we can figure things out. Check out when I'm making purchases here. A lot of individuals don't know what to do in a bull market, so it's in your best interest to educate yourself. During a bear market, many people are confused about what to do. As a reliable voice in the cryptocurrency industry since 2007, that is my purpose here. This episode has a lot of material for both teens and adults. For the simple reason that they're in trouble, Nance and a senior executive from their company. He attempted to escape. They apprehended him. I'll take care of you. Tokenized T-bills will be the topic of our discussion. Plus, we're going to get headfirst into treasury bills, because I'm about to reveal a little secret about what many of you should be doing with your crypto profits. Since there are many terrible influences in the industry, we will go over Z Casino, their enormous rug pull, and what you should avoid. And I'm not hesitant to say it, the people who keep pushing these fraudulent projects. And tokens do it because they stand to gain financially. To protect these projects for a week or two, they are receiving a hefty sum of money, anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000. Finally, be wary if the project's goal is to acquire tokens, otherwise, they'll just dump them on you to increase their own wealth. I'll show you the Z Casino as an example. If you do even a little bit of research into the IT department, you'll find out that it was a scam from the beginning. Every once in a while, I go off on a small tangent. Into this Bitcoin we shall leap. $66,113 at the moment, it's up 1.55%. Your Ethereum came in at 3,280 in the last day. With XRP trading at a mean lean 53 cents, that's 1.46% USDT and USDC both arriving at their dollar pegs. The overall market cap of all cryptocurrencies is $2,458 billion. I wish I could, but I can't. I know how to save 8, so we're good to go. Where do we go from here? It's really straightforward, folks. Bitcoin needs your attention. Bitcoin is testing the mid to upper $50,000 range before we start sending it, but time is running out since the Alto is going to start the blast off in May or June, so jot that down. If we breach the $72,000 to $74,000 mark, we're off to the races. If we fail, we're back down. This is something I've been saying for a long time. Go check out the new LuxLines website if you haven't already. If you haven't bought your Wild West tiers yet, come on over here and hit that chop button. I think you should buy 5 of these because then you'll get access to NFTs for free, along with a potion to make your own and a minimalist NFT that we've given out around 18 thus far. They are extremely uncommon. The best part is that if you acquire 5 of them, you'll be on the rich list. That means you'll get more XRP back on May 1st compared to someone with 4, 3, or 2 points, and that applies every single month, people. That's why we're launching the Gaming Hub today. We're also the top project on the XRP ledger. Azure. You can try to hide from me all you want, but I'll find you in no time. My first meeting is at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I've just hired a gaming manager and a team of game developers. They'll help me figure out how the game should look, how the player should choose characters, how attacks work, and how to make the loading screen. It's as easy as that. He will get what is due to him, because they caught him red-handed. Digital currency trading platform. For the first time ever, retail customers will have access to tokenized treasury notes, according to WooX. This revolutionary product was developed in collaboration with institutionalized tokenization, also known as open trading, crypto exchange WAX, and is housed in our WAX vaults. Along with market maker Wintermute, the exchange has lately started offering index-linked meme coin perpetuals. With treasury notes in particular, this is a major deal. Sure, but why are treasury bills being brought up now? Allow me to share a little life hack with you. Alright, when you become rich off of treasury bills, or, if that's too optimistic, when you become rich off of, like, $1 million, whatever. You can't make millions off of a fortune anymore. Rip, what can I do with my mail to generate passive income, you'll ask. Trust invoices are something I'd like to show you. Treasury bills function similarly to certificates of deposit, CDs. Slapped with a penalty, CDs are locked up, that's the easiest way to put it. When withdrawing funds from early treasury notes, you are free to do as you like, as long as the funds are not locked up. Alright, you can stay for 252 weeks. The present-day rates are as follows. I don't understand what the treasury bill is for. Here we have a nice little chart. If you want to make a treasury for 8 weeks, but it's too much, you'll only get 5.28%. It's just stunning. Looking at the year, which is nearing its finish over here, you can see that it's 4.9 out of 5. Our estimate will be 5%. A US Treasury bill yields 5% if you have $1 million and decide not to spend it because you are an intelligent person who plans to live off of paychecks forever. You might expect to make $50,000 over the year. When compared to the median pay in the US, $50,000 per year is about right. It is possible for you to find that data. It's incredibly close. In my opinion, we may search for it while we're live on the stream. What is the typical median pay in the US? Well, it's $59,000, which means that half of the income in the US is $59,384. Once you've made the right cryptos choices and came out of it knowing it, you have to do what's right. Stick to the plan like we taught you, and when you receive $1 million out of him, you put it into the treasuries, so there's no need to worry. You're not chasing memes. As for me, I'm treasures. You won't have to worry about paying penalties or interest on the money you borrow, and you'll be able to live comfortably off of $50,000 a year. That's pretty nice, right? Yeah. Everybody, get a life hack. Yes, that is a life hack. Put the money away in a safe place where you won't have access to it, like a CD, and forget about your little bank account. Well, that concludes our video. Like and subscribe as usual, and feel free to leave a comment with your opinions. Muchas gracias, depart.